哦，拿出来，拿出来，这个。
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at the place right now. The windows is up. Stairs will die already. The false ceiling gonna be up soon. Wirings. Ooh. Look at this big place for the dining and the kitchen island. So here's the living area. The windows are up. Completely up. Oh, I love the black frame with the glass. And yeah, this is another glass down here. Sofa will be here. We'll be able to see to the kitchen. Gas pipe from the house. Run all the way to this is where the stove is going to be. So that when Ching cook, she will be able to see the high ceiling here.不用紧啊，我们这样不用吃水的。OK。哇 ，floors and the wall tiles are up. This is the master bedroom toilet. 这个厕所有2个 entrance， 一个就是从这里，另外一个 entrance 就是在这里。Good. So I'm in Navia's room now. This is entirely the room just right beside our master bedroom. Yeah, so she will get to see the corridor down here. Just right beneath us is the walkway, the corridor. Done with viewing our house. Now we just went to our coffee shop and then had a bit of drinks before we are heading back now. So excited! We'll be documenting this again soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye! Maybe say bye bye. Tired, tired.